In the heart of the leather industry lies Leather NTEX Industries, a symbol of fine craftsmanship and sustainability. In 2014, Leather NTEX Industries has proudly team-partnered with Housing, creating a synergy that embodies excellence in leather production. At Leather NTEX Industries, the bond of traditional expertise and modern innovation culminates in the creation of the finest leather. Since the inception of this collaboration in 2014, Leather NTEX Industries has been delivering exceptional, sustainable leather to Housing. The raw hides used in this artistry are meticulously sourced from both local suppliers and renowned regions in the Middle East and Europe. The choice of these premium raw materials is a testament to Leather NTEX's unwavering dedication to quality. The journey of crafting the finest leather unfolds through a series of precise and skillful processes. The hides undergo the liming process, which involves the use of lime and other chemicals to remove hair, flesh, and fat on the hides. This process also opens up the fibers and prepares them for the tanning process. Then hides are shifted to the fleshing department, where our skilled machinists remove every type of remaining flesh, fat, or non-fibrous material on the hide. Our fleshers are highly skilled and obeys complete safety. This step helps prepare the hide for further processing. Deliming is performed to neutralize the alkaline pH of the hides resulting from liming. Beating involves using enzymes to break down proteins and fibers further, making the hides more supple and easier to work with. Hides are soaked in a pickling solution, typically a mixture of water, salt, and acids. This prepares the hides for the tanning process by adjusting the pH and promoting better absorption of tanning agents. Tanning is a critical step where hides are treated with tanning agents to stabilize the collagen fibers and prevent them from decomposing. We proudly embraces sustainable practices with a focus on vegetable tanning. This eco-friendly process utilizes natural tannins derived from plants, making it less harmful to the environment compared to conventional methods. After tanning and neutralization, the hides can be dyed to achieve the desired color. Various dyes and pigments are used in this step, allowing customization based on demand of the customer and product specifications. Fat liqueuring is also a customized process only used as per the requirement of the customer. It involves adding oils, lubricants, and emulsifiers to the hides. This enhances the leather's softness, flexibility, and resistance to cracking, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The hides are stretched on the setting machine by our skilled technicians to the desired dimensions. They are then hung in a controlled environment to dry, either naturally or using machines, depending upon the requirement of the final product. Drying sets the leather's structure and properties. After all these processes, our base leather is ready to be shifted from the wet department to the finishing department. In the finishing stage, Leather NTEX employs advanced techniques to elevate the quality and appeal of the leather as per the requirement of the article. After dyeing, the leather becomes a little hard and it must need to be softened before going to the final stages. The softening of the leather can be achieved by various processes. Molisa involves softening the leather with steam and water, typically used for achieving a soft and plush feel in high-end leather products. Milling involves tumbling the leather in rotating drums to soften and homogenize the surface, creating a consistent finish. Tumbling is similar to milling, but the hides or skins are rotated in a drum with or without abrasive agents, creating a softer, more supple leather. Toggle finishing involves placing hides or skins between toggles and applying pressure and little heat to enhance softness and flexibility. Buffing involves using abrasive rollers or sanding machines to remove imperfections, unevenness, and surface irregularities from the leather surface. This process is only used for some articles where it is demanded. Dedusting removes any dust or particles from the leather's surface to ensure a clean base for subsequent treatments. After shaping the leather, the batch then goes to its final steps. The quality inspector deeply checks every piece of the batch, which includes its thickness, its uniformity, and its feel. The batch then moves to its final steps that are giving the leather its color and shine. Before shifting the entire batch to the paint plant, our expert technician first checks the result of the paint and bonds on the sample in our laboratory, and when the sample is cleared by the quality inspector only, then the batch is allowed to be shifted on the spray plant. As per the requirement of the customer or our article, texture is added to the hides. Texturing involves adding patterns, embossing, or imprints to the leather surface to enhance its aesthetic appeal. Roto-press machines apply pressure to the leather to achieve specific textures, patterns, or imprints. We also use hydraulic press where the article requires specific texture and design. In roto press, we have roller press, which gives the texture on the leather applying controlled pressure, whereas in hydraulic press we have flat textured plates to achieve the desired products. Here your final product is ready. It is again checked by the QA department, and if the leather needs any treatment recommended by the quality inspector, then without that process the batch cannot be cleared. In the end, the leather is accurately measured by the advanced NC leather measuring machines, and then packed safely to be shipped to its destination.
Producing ourselves as housing team, we produce finest high-quality leather in our tannery unit. Our tannery process starts from the sourcing of finest and high-quality raw skins, which we are find from the locally, and also we import from the Middle East and also from Europe, which are really suitable for high-quality leather process. We majority use the vegetable tanning system, which is highly sustainable as compared to conventional tanning system. We have the skilled and qualified leather engineers in our team, and we call them artisans. Leather making is an art, and we have the best artists who develop and build the leather to its best form.
我们很自豪地介绍自己是浩桑团队的一员。我们的鞣制车间生产最优质的皮革。我们的鞣制过程从采购最优质的生皮开始。我们的生皮是肉类工业的副产品。我们在当地采购生皮，同时也从中东和欧洲进口，这是生产高品质皮革的理想选择。作为浩桑团队的一员，我们致力于减少环境足迹，并且我们的生产非常可持续。为了实现这一承诺，我们主要使用植物鞣制工艺，该工艺比其他传统鞣制工艺更具可持续性。我们拥有合格的皮革工程师和高技能的技术人员，我们称之为工匠。我们相信制革是一门艺术， 我们拥有最优秀的艺术家，在我们的制革厂生产最优质的皮革。我们不断改进和采用创新技术来增强我们的鞣制工艺，努力在皮革行业树立新标准。
The relationship with House Sang is not only about delivering the finest leather, but also about upholding sustainability at every step. By predominantly employing vegetable tanning, Leather NTEX Industries significantly reduces its environmental impact, making a positive contribution to the leather industry. As a team member of House Sang, we committed a shared vision of crafting the finest, sustainable leather. Together, we strive to minimize the environmental footprint, making conscious choices that benefit both the industry and the planet. The alliance between Leather NTEX Industries and House Sang is a beacon of tradition, innovation, and sustainability. It is a journey that started in 2014, a journey that continues to create ripples of excellence and inspire the leather industry.